Breaking news coming in from Kashmir, where it seems that rotten meat scandal is shaking the Kashmir tourism industry and the restaurant business. 12,000 kgs of rotten meat, decayed fish and chicken has been seized and then later destroyed. This was all related to the restaurants that were selling this meat, and now it seems that there is a loss of about 80% of business in that area. It is also said there is a possibility of dog and donkey meat also being served in Kashmir eateries. This is a huge allegation that is being put right now. Srinagar's barbecue street, due to this, is now deserted. Now, Mir Farid, India Today's correspondent, brings you more details on this entire issue. Watch.
Now in the Khayyam area of Srinagar, and this is the barbecue street. It's also called the barbecue street of Kashmir. And this restaurant, on normal days, maybe 1 month back, if you would have come here, there you wouldn't find a seat to sit. Tables would have been occupied, but today it's deserted. There is no one around. Courtesy the rotten meat scandal of Kashmir, a scandal that has blown up literally in the last 15 days all over social media, where Food Safety Department conducted raids. There was a raid on a warehouse. They found rotten meat frozen for days, and then also meat that probably was not mutton, it was not chicken, it was something else. And that as that news spread, the trust of the people on these food outlets just vanished.
जबकि आज इस मामले ने इतना जोर पकड़ा कि कुछ लोग तो सड़कों पे उतर आए, कुछ लोग अपनी कैंसर की सर्टिफिकेट्स दिखाने लगे, कुछ लोग तो बहुत हद तक गुजर गए। मगर सवाल पैदा ये होता है कि तब भी इस पे पर्दा डालने की कोशिश की जा रही थी, आज भी इस पे पर्दा डालने की कोशिश की जा रही थी। सिर्फ इसमें लोकल लोगों की जान का सवाल ही नहीं है, बल्कि इतने सारे लोग आप देख रहे हैं, 500 के करीब सारे कश्मीर से फार्मर यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। इन 500 लोगों की फैमिलीज का भी सवाल है।
And India Today's Mir Farid joins us with the latest details in this issue. Mir, how was this happening and what are the actions that the authorities are taking currently?
Well, there have been raids left, right and center, and it started with one such raid of the Food Safety Department. Rotten meat was recovered. Meat was stored in unhygienic conditions and seemed to be months old. And as that news spread, there was mayhem. People reacted angrily on social media, and then the Food Safety Department conducted more such raids. And as slowly the layers came up, it was clear that it was not just restricted to a certain area, but the whole of Kashmir was seeing rotten meat being supplied from various parts of the country, and there were people who were serving it, restaurants, and then we know there was social media debate and people just reacted angrily. There were theories and then rumors that even dog and donkey meat was being supplied to some restaurants, and that obviously led to a furore, and people then in unanimous boycotted these restaurants. Today the situation is that there is an 85% decline in restaurant business. People are just not visiting eateries. Their trust has been completely shaken, and then you also have to understand that Kashmir is a Muslim majority place, so it is somewhere directed, in fact connected to the faith. The people say that even that has been attacked in many ways when you see rumors of dog meat, donkey meat being served, and then you had processed meat, especially where the Food Safety Department found that it was days old and there was absolutely no certification as to what was the source of that meat. And then now right now more such raids are happening, arrests have been made, but still people believe that the kingpins, the people, the mafia was running it, the big fish are still out of the authorities' net, the law enforcers' net, and more needs to be done to get to the bottom and unearth this completely, because what has happened till now is just the tip of the iceberg. But
absolutely, and it is about the health of the people, health of not just the tourists but also the locals who order or eat at these places. So finally action is being taken and criminal cases are also being filed.